Hello everyone, this is Rahim Panah. For the past few years, I have been working on something very close to my heart. An English translation of the entire Divan-e-Ghalib. Ghalib's poetry is not just verse, it's a journey into thought, emotion and philosophy. And I want to share this journey with you, piece by piece, through short videos like this one, where I'll try to explain the deeper meanings behind his poetry in simple and beautiful English. So let's begin with the very first verse of Ghalib's Divan, a verse that reveals how deeply he understood the mystery of life and creation.
नक्श फरियादी है किसकी शोखी तहरीर का कागजी है पैरहन हर पै करे तस्वीर का Ghalib uses the word Naqsh, which means an image or design, as a metaphor for all created beings, and Tahrir, or writing, stands for the process or act of creation. Now, the key word here is shokhi, a word with multiple meanings. It can mean mischief or boldness, beauty or charm, and also the union of two opposite things that cannot be separated. In this verse, Ghalib uses it in that last sense, the meeting or union of opposites. For instance, the beloved, he says, is Shokh because her cruelty hurts the lover, yet the lover still finds beauty in that cruelty and pain. So, what is Ghalib saying here? Every created thing reflects the perfection of its creator, yet nothing lasts forever. Our existence brings pain, yet we love life. We are mortal, yet we long for immortality. And even in creation, the seeds of destruction are hidden. He also mentions Kaghzi Parahan, a paper garment. In old Iran, people who wanted justice would wear paper clothes before the ruler as a sign of complaint. And Pekare Tasvir, the figure or form within a picture, drawn figure or painted body, the symbolic human form within the painted illusion of the world. So, Ghalib imagines that every form, every image wears a paper garment, silently complaining to its creator. It is as if existence itself is saying, "You gave us life only to take it away." Every image is like a complainant to the playful pen that drew it, for every form wears a paper robe, is fragile, temporary, and unreal. To some, this verse may appear to be a praise of God, a hamd. It also hides a subtle question, almost a complaint. It says, "O Lord, when everything was destined to perish, why create it so beautifully? Why bring something into existence only to destroy it?" In short, in ancient Iran, those who approached the royal courts with petitions would adorn themselves in garments made of paper, so that they might be easily recognized as supplicants among the throng. This image of fragile paper clothing, delicate, temporary, and symbolic of humility, forms a striking background to this profound verse of Mirza Ghalib. Ghalib says that life must be regarded as a picture, a mere creation of imagination. Though it appears vibrant and full of meaning, it is in essence a reflection, an illusion that conceals within it deep sorrow, regret, and anguish. Thus, every human being, trapped in this painted world of appearances, becomes a petitioner before the truth of real existence, pleading for union with the eternal. That's Ghalib's philosophy of life, that existence, no matter how beautiful, always carries pain within it. He expresses a similar idea in another of his couplets like, "Gham-e hasti ka asad, kisse ho juz marg ilaj." शम्म हर रंग में जलती है सहर होने तक. And क़ैद हयात और बंद गम असल में दोनों एक हैं. मौत से पहले आदमी गम से निजात पाए क्यों? According to the Sufi understanding, existence is but one, absolute and indivisible. What we perceive as creation, as multiplicity, is nothing but a mirage, a delusion of the senses. In this light, Ghalib's verse reveals a deeper truth by saying that the divine beloved has drawn the grand picture of the universe, separating it from the essence of real being. All forms and figures within this cosmic picture cry out in lament, firstly against the pain of separation from their source, and secondly against the torment that life itself imposes upon them. The intricate relationship between artistry and existence, the cleverness of design, the stroke of the pen, the image, the portrait, the paper, and even the robe is deeply interwoven in Ghalib's imagination. His poetry often plays upon symbols, using craft and creation, illusion and truth into a single tapestry of meaning where each word is both surface and depth, form and revelation. Interestingly, Ghalib's German contemporary Arthur Schopenhauer said something similar, that life is full of struggle and suffering, and peace only comes when we stop craving life itself. His ideas were inspired by Buddhism, Sarvam Dukham, which teaches that all life is suffering. In our own times, Ellis Silver, in his book Humans Are Not From Earth, says something that sounds strangely similar. He believes human beings might actually be aliens on this planet, that our bodies and minds don't fully fit the Earth's environment. We get sick easily, we burn in the sun, and we often feel restless and out of place. In a symbolic way, this idea connects with Ghalib's feeling that life itself feels foreign, uneasy, and full of pain. It is as if every living being is Faryadi, a silent complainer crying out to the Creator.
If you love Ghalib and want to explore more of his verses in English, please like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback will help shape the next part of this journey into Ghalib's world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.